Set, ready for racing. Race number 8. Racing just is started. We have Song of Songs. Break quickly, restart, rushing about the youngs at home on an island. Consider the next on that is Rivers of Gold, Princess Tin. This time alongside Toscana, June 3. Market Value, all too well, while the lady wins is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Song of Songs moving apart the outside. Now is Home on an Island. Alongside comes Consider, then next online. Now is Rivers of Gold, this time Princess Tin. All too well, Toscana, the lady wins. June 3 racing second less, while Market Value now racing in less. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have Home on Island. Now takes command, Link anyhow, and in second is Song of Songs, moving upon the outside, Rivers of Gold, then next on is Consider, this time then followed now by Princess Tin. Toscana is on the outside, down the inside, all two waiting, the lady wins, as they swing for home, we have Home on Island, Link anyhow. The Song of Songs, once again, moving upon the outside, last 100 meters, we have Home on Island, back to 2 lengths lead over Song of Songs, and finally it's going to be Home on an Island, Song of Songs. Then comes this time Princess Tin, Toscana.
Okay mga kaibigan, para sa inyong final race for tonight, ang ating unofficial winner, numero 7, Home on Island. This is your second favorite for your final race. At masisegundo dyan yung inyong favorite, numero 1, Song of Songs. Numero 5, this time, tercero po yan. 11 horse, Princess Tin, darating na pang-4, pang-5 po, Toscana.